Alright, you guys, I've been at it. The reason why I started this because I couldn't get the distributor or the motor timed, and it was way off. I was fully advanced, still couldn't get it close to its timing point. So I've been researching, I don't know, just looking around, and a lot of people are saying that my timing on here is wrong, or skipped a tooth, or something happened. So I'm in the process of doing that. So far I've taken the power steering off, taking the belt off somewhat, the motor mount, and right now we're in the process of taking the pulley nut off right now. So as soon as I get that off, I'll get back to you guys. Jesus came today, helped me out on the CRV. Try to see if we could do the timing on it. Hiya darn. That's still waiting.
Just still waiting.
We're gonna go get a little snack real quick.
Solar panel right here?
Yeah.
What's that for?
To charge your phone while you're riding.
Oh, your phone, not even
Yeah.
the lights?
No.
That'd be cool to put it right here with a little light. LED light to the steering.
Yeah.
I mean,
Put some lights on the bike, whatever.
Solar panel. That's still tight, dude.
Mhm.
Could do that, you bet.
Yeah. Little MacGyver shit.
You got that.
Okay, so we had to go to AutoZone. That went to O'Reilly's, but didn't have the part. I mean, that bolted, that thing that goes onto the crank pulley. I'll show you. This part. They have this part at O'Reilly, so I had to go to AutoZone. So I had to go drive further out. So we're gonna see if we're gonna be able to pull this off real quick. Alright, peoples. But we didn't get nothing accomplished. That bolt is a hassle. Can't take it off unless we're weak, not strong enough. But that bolt was a hassle. We tried different methods. I guess we probably don't have the right tools to take it off. Let me show you guys. We had, what happened to it? Oh, we have this breaker, this torque wrench. That's like the longest wrench I have, like a socket wrench, or we're trying different methods. Nothing can work for us. I did go and rent that tool, like I said, but and then I guess we have to. If we had the car higher, we could have leverage, but there's no possibility in that. So we're kind of stuck. Getting kind of late. Mosquitoes are biting. Got bit up. Just probably go inside, hang out for the rest of the night. Probably start up tomorrow morning. See if we could get it going. See what we could get done tomorrow. I'll hit you up tomorrow. Alright, you guys, I just got back from my cousin's house. I got the ratchet, the socket set, but I don't know if it might work. It might work. We don't know. So, gonna try it out right now. Gonna see if it works. I don't know. I'm being irritated right now with all this. Not taking that thing off. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. It's just a pain in the neck. So, I'll give it to you guys after I start it and give you a little progress on how far I got and see if it did come off or not. But I'll let you guys know. I see it in a little bit. I don't know if this helped, but we're using other sockets, and I don't know, maybe it was a socket or just me today feeling good. But yeah, we in the impact socket.
Yeah, whole week fucking with that. You didn't think I broke it loose?
Impact socket, and I broke it loose. With my leg.
You broke it loose.
You didn't break it loose. So hopefully, gonna take this bolt off. Take out the pulley. So now, since we got that bolt loose, I think let's take off my alternator belt.
So
So it's
No, yeah, it's not loose from down here. It's loose from the grip. It's not down here.
okay. So we just have to take off my alternator belt,
That's it.
and I think that's it. My dad says, and you can take out these back plastics. It's my first time doing this, so I'm learning while I'm going. And then hopefully take off that, and you can see my water pump. I think my water pump's out. I think I have to replace it. I think that's what's causing all this.
You see the water drop in over here and it pumps over here.
So I got the air compressor loose, the alternator loose. Finally gonna take this off. Gotta keep the spare parts somewhere, huh? Spare parts. Just parts. So I think I need to take these bolts off, these 10mm bolts.
Right.
Take off this cover. And then I can get to my water pump, replace the water pump, align everything back up, put my motor back together. Hopefully I can have my car by tomorrow. Yeah. Alright everybody. Came back from O'Reilly's and I went to go pick up some gasket sealant. Got myself a new water pump. Cause that water pump's going out. So can't see it because of the lights. But anyways, water pump's going out. So just got one. Now I'm gonna get my hands down there and get dirty. Try to get that one out. Put this one in. Put everything back together. Alright, got the water pump all installed. Finally. About to tighten up the last nut right now. Then I'm gonna start putting the timing belt back on. That'll be the next step. So far looking good. Not too shabby. Just want to update you guys. So I got everything back on. Don't know if I got everything back on right. You know, I'm not a mechanic. I like doing this as a hobby, so there that goes. So I did line up the timing mark. Got the water, everything tightening up. Now I'm putting the cover back on. What did I even do with it? Just gonna clean this up a little bit. Make it all look nice. Pretty soon I'm gonna start working on this bad boy. I'm gonna take the motor out, sell the car, or give it to the junkyard if I can't no use for it. Bought the shell I think 2 years ago. Kinda wanna do a B series hatch. So that's kind of what I want to do next. So, but at the moment, I can't afford to have a lot of cars. I do have a little bit of cars, and I'm planning to get another car. So, as a daily, so I can't have no more other cars that are project cars. I need to get rid of project cars at the moment to I get space for it, because I don't have space right now here for any project cars. As already down with the project pretty soon after I finish doing this. Well, and that's another one too, so that's why I had to remove this one. And plus I got my CRV. I need to calm down with cars. Alright, you guys. Got the bottom cover on. I just need a pulley and do the air compressor belt, alternator belt. As soon as I get that done. What's happening, everybody? Happy Monday. It's the afternoon. Got off of work, ready to start on the CRV. But I did put everything back on the CRV. Got it started last night. Try to do the timing on it again, and still don't have no good luck with the timing. So I don't know if it's my distributor that's not letting it time right. So I still have my old one, so I'm gonna get my old one, put it back on, and see if that problem still occurs. So this way I know if it's the distributors. But yeah, that's what I got this afternoon. So I'm gonna try to do that, and then I'll give you an update to see what happens. Hey, what's up, you guys? Just want to let you guys know I'm ending this week's video. I got everything back on. Still giving me that same where I can't time it right. So it's the distributor. We found out. I put my old one back on, and it's working perfectly. But I still have that check engine light on, so I need to buy a new distributor. Which the one I bought was supposed to be new, but I got it from Amazon. So don't get things from Amazon. Don't trust. Just kidding. But yeah, so that's what happens. It was my distributor that's bad. So whenever I get the update or get a new distributor, I'll let you know on that. But stay tuned for next week's video.